Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the wait node in Latenode. Today we'll explore a simple but powerful scenario that demonstrates how to create a time-delayed action. Let's break down what we're seeing on screen. We have three key nodes in our workflow. First, we start with a trigger on Run Once node. This initiates our scenario when we hit that purple Run Once button you see at the bottom. Next, we have our star player, the wait node. In this example, we've set it to pause for 60 seconds. Think of it as a built-in timer for your workflow. Finally, we have a set global variables node. This creates a global variable named test wait node with a value of 100. So what's the magic here? When we run this scenario, it doesn't just execute everything instantly. Instead, it waits for a full minute before creating our variable. This opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine you're automating a social media campaign. You could use this to schedule posts at specific intervals. Or perhaps you're managing an e-commerce site and you want to send a follow-up email to customers an hour after their purchase. The wait node allows you to introduce timed pauses into your workflows, making your automations more dynamic and responsive to real-world timing needs. A simple yet powerful way to add time-based actions to your late node scenarios. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your automation workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating!